Ready to transform your videos from bland to brilliant with some seriously cool text animations? Let's dive into Adobe After Effects and begin with a new composition. Adjust the width, height, frame rate, and duration to your desired video specifications. First, select the Type tool, the T icon. Click on the composition window and start typing your title. It could be anything, like your channel's name or a video title. Feel free to vary the text for a more complex effect. Now, let's customize that text with the character panel adjustments. Select the font style you prefer. Adjust the font size. Consider experimenting with different sizes for each bit of text. Then adjust the color to something that pops visually. Next, let's animate. Go to the Effects and Presets panel. Search for Text Animation Presets. After Effects has some amazing ones here, so select one that fits your video style and drag and drop it onto your text layer. You'll see keyframes appear in your timeline. These control the animation's timing and movement. You can adjust the keyframes by dragging them left or right for a speed change. Carefully review your animation. If you do not like it, right-click on the text layer and select the one that suits you. Then fine-tune the keyframes to control the animation's pace. To add more variety, duplicate your text layer and its animation again and change the text, font, color, and preset to create multiple animated titles. Congratulations, you've just created a dynamic title animation. Feel free to experiment with different presets, fonts, and colors to achieve the perfect look. Now go make titles that wow. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for the next video.